A pixel is exclusively something that you place on your website. Okay, that's what a pixel is. The pixel goes on your website, Shopify channel. That's where it goes. Okay.
Okay, so yeah, but where they commented, I would have said they comment on below and then they go to the website where I put my code. So I want to.
Yeah. So if you have one pixel on one ad account and you have 5 pages, you can communicate to all of them through that pixel. All of them.
Just work out for your brand how you make a difference.
The way you set it up on your business manager is that you can have one ad account and then all the pages can be allowed to advertise on their ad account and share the same pixel. Yes.
Well, what I want to know is, can I say I only want to do for the one fan page for that pixel, for this particular retargeting, I only want to do for the one fan page?
Not fan page, because fan page is separate to the pixel. It would have to be based on, I only want to target people that fire the pixel on this website. You can do that.
Yeah.
You can do that, but not on the fan page, because again, you want to just create a separation. The fan pages have nothing to do, zero to do with your pixel, okay? The fan pages do not trigger, fire, or do anything with the pixel. Like if you have one link and you post it on 5 different fan pages, and people from this fan page, and this one, and this one, and this one, they all go to the same link, on Facebook's eyes, it's the same person. It's the same fire. It's the same trigger of the pixel code. It's not this fan page caused this fan page caused this, because the fire does not occur on the page. The fire occurs on the website. If you're on the website, okay, a website has like 4, 5, 7, 8 different pages, right? Okay, so if you have several pages that have the same pixel code, you can create an audience. Let's say, for example, I have my brand, Easy Concepts, okay? And then I also have my brand, I don't know, Heels and Jeans, another brand that we use, okay? They both share the same pixel. In this case, they don't, they really don't, but let's say that they do share the same pixel. In Facebook, at the audience level, I can create an audience using that pixel of people that are on the Easy Concepts page only. And then also I can create an audience of people that are on the Heels and Jeans page only. Does that make sense? You tracking?
I don't exactly, I'll have to see it, but
if you have 7 brands, and they all have 7 pages, and you put the pixel codes on all 7 ones, the same pixel codes, you can still create 7 audiences, each one for each website, okay? But do you understand what I meant? That
I think I understand what you're saying.
The Facebook page has nothing to do with that.
It's all about structuring your audiences very carefully.
Correct.